AI agents just changed everything. What you need to know 2026. Hook, zero off the clock, 015. AI agents are not the next big thing. They are the current big thing. And if you are not paying attention, you are already behind. In the last 6 months, OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, and a wave of startups have all launched agent-based tools that can browse the web, book appointments, write code, and run entire workflows without you lifting a finger. This video breaks down what AI agents actually are, which ones are worth your time, and how they will change the way you work forever. Overview 015 of the clock. So what exactly is an AI agent? Think of it this way. ChatGPT answers your questions, but an AI agent actually does things for you. It can open a browser, navigate a website, fill in forms, click buttons, and complete multi-step tasks on its own. The difference between a chatbot and an agent is the difference between asking for directions and getting in a self-driving car. In 2025, we saw the first wave of consumer-facing agents hit the market. OpenAI launched Operator, an agent that uses its own browser to perform tasks like booking tours or filling out forms. Google experimented with Project Mariner, a Chrome-based agent that could navigate the web for you. Microsoft doubled down on Copilot, integrating agent capabilities directly into its ecosystem. And then there is the open source side. CrewAI and AutoGen let you build your own agent teams from scratch. Let me walk you through each one. Step 1. OpenAI Operator 1 of the clock to 15. OpenAI Operator was one of the first consumer AI agents to launch, and it set the template for what an agent should be. Here is how it works. You give Operator a task in plain English, like find and book me the highest rated one-day tour of Rome on TripAdvisor, and it opens its own browser, navigates to TripAdvisor, searches for tours, reads the reviews, compares the ratings, and books the one you want. You watch it work in real time, and you can step in at any point if it goes off track. This is not a demo. This is a real product available to pro users in the US. What makes Operator different from a simple web scraper is that it can handle dynamic websites, fill in forms, click through multi-page flows, and recover from errors. It actually understands the page it is looking at. The downside: it is limited to pro users, only available in the US, and it can struggle with complex multi-step tasks that require judgment calls. But as a proof of concept, Operator proves that AI agents are not science fiction. They are here, and they work. Step 2. Google Project Mariner 2.15.3.13. Google took a different approach with Project Mariner. Instead of giving you a separate agent browser, Mariner worked inside your existing Chrome browser. The idea was brilliant. Your browser is already where you do most of your work, so why not let an AI agent operate right there? Mariner could navigate tabs, fill in forms, extract data, and complete workflows across multiple websites, all while you watched. It was part of Google Labs, their experimental product division. However, Google shut down Project Mariner earlier this year and redirected users toward Gemini. This is significant because it tells us something about the agent landscape. Not every agent experiment survives. The technology works, but the product market fit is still evolving. Google clearly decided that integrating agent capabilities into Gemini was a better path than a standalone product. If you are building your workflow around AI agents, this is an important lesson. Always have a backup plan because today's hot agent tool could be tomorrow's discontinued experiment. Step 3. CrewAI and AutoGen 330 445. Now this is where things get really exciting. While the big tech companies are building single agents, the open source community is building agent teams. CrewAI lets you create a crew of specialized AI agents that work together on complex tasks. You might have one agent that researches, one that writes, and one that reviews, and they communicate with each other to produce better results than any single agent could. CrewAI is used by over 63% of the Fortune 500, which is a staggering number for an open source project. AutoGen takes a similar approach from Microsoft Research, letting you build multi-agent conversations where agents can write code, execute it, and debug it collaboratively. What makes these frameworks powerful is that you are not limited to what OpenAI or Google decide to build. You can create agents for your specific workflow, whether that is monitoring social media sentiment, automating customer support, or running a research pipeline. CrewAI offers both a no-code interface for beginners and a CLI for developers, making it accessible at every level. If you want to actually use AI agents in your daily work, this is where I would start. Step 4. Microsoft Copilot and Enterprise Agents 445. 545. Microsoft has been quietly building the most comprehensive agent ecosystem, and Copilot is just the visible tip of the iceberg. Copilot started as a chat assistant, but it has evolved into an agent that can work across Microsoft 365, reading your emails, analyzing your spreadsheets, drafting documents, and scheduling meetings. The real power comes from Copilot's integration with the Microsoft Graph, which means it has context about your entire organization while Operator works in a browser and CrewAI runs in code. Copilot works where millions of people already spend their workday in Word, Excel, Teams, and Outlook. Beyond Copilot, Microsoft has also invested heavily in enterprise AI agents through their partnership with OpenAI and their Azure AI platform. Companies like Klarna and Shopify are already using AI agents to handle customer service, process orders, and manage inventory at scale. Klarna's AI assistant handles 2/3 of their customer service chats, and Shopify's A tools help merchants automate everything from product descriptions to shipping logistics. This is the enterprise agent revolution, and it is happening right now. So where does all this leave you? AI agents are not a future prediction. They are a present reality. OpenAI Operator proves that consumer agents can handle real tasks. Google pivoted from Manner to Gemini shows that the landscape is still shifting. CrewAI and AutoGen give you the power to build custom agent workflows And Microsoft Copilot plus enterprise adoption by companies like Klarna and Shopify means that agents are already transforming business operations. My recommendation: start with CrewAI if you want to build custom workflows. Use Copilot if you live in the Microsoft ecosystem. And keep an eye on Operator as it expands beyond the US. The agents are here. The only question is whether you will use them or get replaced by someone who does. Outro 6:37 of the clock. If this video helped you understand AI agents, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns every week. Drop a comment telling me which AI agent you are most excited to try: Operator, CrewAI, Copilot, or something else. This has been Patapo.
AI. We'll see you in the next one.